Hi everyone. If you're working with AWS, you've probably heard about the AWS well-architected framework, but what exactly is it and why should you care? In this video, I'm going to break down its 6 key pillars, explain why they matter, and show you how applying them can improve your cloud architecture. So let's dive in. I am Dalmas, a data specialist, and I am here to make you a better data professional. The AWS well-architected framework is a set of best practices designed to help organizations build secure, high-performing, resilient, and efficient cloud applications. It helps you evaluate your infrastructure and identify the gaps that could lead to performance issues, security risks, or unnecessary costs. It's built around 6 pillars, and we are going to go through each one in detail in this video. Yeah, I'm at home and I've decided to just record a video so that this week we don't go without a video. So let's talk about the first pillar. This is the operational excellence. This is about managing and automating your infrastructure efficiently. AWS recommends designing operations that are automated, proactive, and continuously improving. For example, by using AWS services like CloudWatch for monitoring and AWS Lambda for automating responses to your system's events, you can reduce manual workloads and improve system reliability. So the key takeaways for this pillar is automate and monitor everything to improve efficiency and reduce errors. So that's the first pillar. The second pillar is security. This is one of the most critical pillars in AWS. Security in AWS is protecting data, systems, and assets while leveraging AWS tools to enforce best practices. And the key recommendations includes encryption with something like KMS, AWS KMS, managing access with IAM roles and policies, and setting up logging with AWS CloudTrail. And the key takeaways for this pillar is strong security controls, encrypt your data, and regularly audit access to protect your infrastructure. The third pillar is reliability. This ensures that your applications can recover from failures and scale efficiently to meet demand. For example, using AWS auto-scaling and elastic load balancing can distribute traffic across multiple instances, preventing a single point failure. Additionally, AWS offers services like Route 53 for DNS failover and S3 durable storage. And the key takeaways for this pillar is fault-tolerant systems that automatically recover from failures. The fourth pillar is performance efficiency. This is about using computing resources efficiently and scaling as needed. AWS services like AWS Lambda for serverless computing, Amazon RDS for managed databases, and AWS Compute Optimizer can help you fine-tune your performance while keeping costs low. And the key takeaways for this pillar is optimize your workloads for speed and scalability by using the right AWS services. The fifth pillar, I said that there are 6, yes. The fifth pillar, we have cost optimization. AWS offers a pay-as-you-go model, but costs can add up if not managed well. Best practices include using AWS Cost Explorer to track your spending, setting up reserved instances for long-term workloads, enabling S3 lifecycle policies to manage your storage costs, and so many other best practices. The key takeaway for this pillar is monitor your costs closely and take advantage of pricing models that help you save money. The last pillar is sustainability, and this is the newest addition to the well-architected framework of AWS. So AWS encourages businesses to design architectures that minimize environmental impact. This can be achieved by optimizing workloads, using energy-efficient instances, and leveraging AWS regions to operate on renewable energy. The key takeaway is design cloud systems that reduce energy consumption and optimize resource utilization. These are the 6 pillars of AWS well-architected framework, and by following these best practices, you can build a secure, scalable, and cost-efficient cloud solution. So, which pillar do you think will work best for your projects? Leave a comment. People don't comment in my video, so you can be the first one. The first person to comment, everyone will comment. I'll put them in the next video. Leave a like if you have learned something. If you have not learned something, still leave a like. You can subscribe because it will help grow the channel. And see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.